Never start your routine like this. You roll out of bed, already stressed. You scroll for 20 minutes. Skip breakfast. Your mind's scattered. The day's already won. Sound familiar? That's how most of us live. And it's why we feel stuck. But here's the truth. No one talks about. Self-improvement doesn't need to be complicated. It doesn't need 4 a.m. alarms, cold showers, or some 10-step morning routine that takes 3 hours. What you really need is a simple rhythm, something real, repeatable, and actually made for normal people with busy lives. And that's what you're about to get. This video isn't going to hype you up with motivational speeches and then leave you confused. By the time you finish watching, you'll have a simple daily routine you can start today. Habits that actually fit into your life, not someone else's. And zero guilt for skipping the complicated stuff that doesn't work for you. I'm going to walk you through your day, morning, afternoon, and night, and show you what small changes make a huge difference. Here's a quick fact you'll actually care about. The human brain loves patterns. When your days have no rhythm, you're constantly playing catch-up, mentally and physically. Your mind feels scattered, your body stays tired, and you never feel in control. But when you have just a few steady habits, you feel grounded. You don't burn out, you don't overthink, you move better, think clearer, and feel lighter. Think of your routine as your personal reset button, a way to take control back every single day, even if everything else around you feels messy. Forget the perfect morning routine. You don't need 15 steps or to become a new person overnight. Here's how to start your day right with just 3 things. No, really, keep a bottle or glass by your bed. When you wake up, chug it. That's it. Why? Because while you sleep, your body gets dry. Even mild dehydration messes with energy and focus. Water first thing equals instant clarity. Open a window. Step outside. Look toward the light, not directly into the sun. This helps your brain know it's morning. It sets your body clock, improves your mood, and helps you sleep better at night. Even 2 minutes is enough. Just let light hit your eyes. Before touching your phone, give yourself 60 seconds of quiet. You can sit still, close your eyes, and just breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose. Hold for a second, then exhale slowly. Repeat 5 times. This isn't meditation. It's just giving your brain a second to catch up with your body. The biggest mistake we make is pushing through the middle of the day without stopping to breathe. Even a 5-minute break around lunchtime can completely change your energy. Here's what to do. 1. Go outside. No phone, seriously. Step outside, even if it's just the porch or balcony. Look at something, not a screen. Breathe. Move your body. No audio. No distractions. Just a reset. This is like hitting refresh on your brain. 2. Ask, what do I need right now? We're so used to running on autopilot that we forget to check in. Maybe you need a stretch, a glass of water, a snack with real nutrients, a moment of silence. Just one of those small shifts can save the second half of your day. If your nights are chaotic, your mornings will be too. So here's how to end your day in a way that resets your system, calms your brain, and helps you wake up ready. No rules, no pressure, just these 3 habits. 1. Screens off 30 minutes before bed. This one's non-negotiable if you want real rest. Just put your phone away, not under your pillow, away, across the room. Dim the lights, lower the volume of your environment. You're telling your brain, we're done for today. 2. Do a 3-line brain dump. Grab a notebook or use your notes app. Write these 3 things. What I did well today, what bothered me, what I'm doing tomorrow. This gets the clutter out of your head so you don't lay in bed replaying the day. 3. Stretch or breathe. Seriously, just 2 minutes. No fancy routine. Just stretch your arms, neck, legs, slowly. Or lay down and breathe. In for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. You'll feel your body slow down. That's your signal. Day's over. Time to rest. Most people try to change everything at once. They build a perfect routine on paper, and it falls apart in 2 days. Why? Because life happens. Motivation fades. One missed habit turns into giving up. Here's the truth. You don't need to do all of this perfectly. You just need to do something consistently. Pick one morning habit, one midday reset, one night ritual. That's it. Start with 1. Build momentum. Let it grow naturally. Here's how simple it can be. Morning, total time, 5 to 7 minutes. Wake up, drink water, open a window, get light, sit quietly, breathe for 60 seconds. Midday, total time 5 minutes. Walk outside, no phone. Ask what you need. Do one small thing. Evening. Total time, 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. Write 3 simple lines. Stretch or deep breathe. That's less than 30 minutes total across your whole day. And the payoff? More clarity. Less chaos. Better sleep. Better energy. All without needing to become a different person. Why this routine works better than the rest? Because it's built for real life. Not influencers. Not monks. Not productivity bros. Just real people. And because it's simple, you're more likely to actually do it. And when you do it, even in a small way, you start feeling better. When you feel better, you show up better. And when you show up better, that's where growth starts. Self-improvement doesn't begin with intensity. It begins with consistency. So now, what I do, try it. Don't just watch, do. Pick one thing from this video and start it tonight or tomorrow morning. If it helps, write it down. Put a reminder on your wall or your mirror. You're not lazy. You're just tired of advice that doesn't work for you. This time, you're doing it your way. The simple way. The sustainable way. Want more routines that actually work? Hit subscribe, plus comment your first small win below. I'll cheer you on.